Hello students, this is Nishi Mishra, your social studies teacher at Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Students, in my previous video I told you that we are to begin with Battle of Plassey. So here we go. The Battle of Plassey, as the name suggests, was taken place in the year 1757 at a place called Plassey. So the main reason behind the Battle of Plassey was that there was a conflict between the Indian rulers or the Nawab of Bengal with the Britishers, and the conflict was over the trade privileges that the Britishers were taking in the Bengal. So when Alivardi Khan was the Nawab of Bengal, and after his death, his grandson Shiraz-ud-Dawla took over the throne. And Shiraz-ud-Dawla was at very young age had to become the Nawab, because there was no other ruler to take over to the throne of the Bengal. He was mere 23 years old when he was made the Nawab of Bengal. So being a 23 years old boy, he was very freaky. So when he became the Nawab, he asked his army to check on the trade privileges that are being taken by the English East India Company in Bengal. But as earlier the East India Company denied to pay the taxes, so the Shiraz-ud-Dawla said that okay, he took over the company's factory at Qasim Bazaar, and he also took over the Fort William, that was the settlement of the British East India Company. So after this, the company, they were like कि ये कैसे हो गया, now this king has directly attacked over us. So इन्होंने जो है क्या किया, अपने एक बहुत ही ट्रस्टेड ऑफिसर को, द नेम ऑफ द ऑफिसर वॉज रॉबर्ट क्लाइव, who was placed at Madras. They called Robert Clive from Madras to Calcutta to look into the issue that was taking place in Calcutta. अब when Robert Clive arrived in Calcutta, उसने क्या किया, उसने सीधा कुछ भी डायरेक्ट अटैक करने से पहले उसने जो है मीर ज़फ़र was the commander in chief of Bengal. तो उसके साथ मिल के they planned and plotted against the Shiraz-ud-Dawla. उन्होंने जो है कॉन्स्पिरेसी करी किसके लिए, शिराज-उद-दौला के लिए, और कॉन्स्पिरेसी के तहत लड़ाई में जब डायरेक्ट वॉर हुआ दोनों के, इंग्लिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी और शिराज-उद-दौला की आर्मी के बीच में, तो द शिराज-उद-दौला वॉज डिफीटेड एंड किल्ड. एज मीर ज़फ़र वॉज इन द साइड ऑफ द इंग्लिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी, उसको जो है अब बंगाल का नया नवाब बना दिया गया. सो दिस वॉज बैटल ऑफ प्लासी. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ बैटल ऑफ प्लासी, क्या हुआ कि मीर ज़फ़र ने, बिकॉज ही वॉज मेड द नवाब ऑफ बंगाल, he rewarded the English East India Company with a large sum of money and the zamindari of 24 villages and the right to free trade. Now जब कंपनी पहले एक्सचेंज करती थी अपने इंडियन गुड्स को जो सामान लेने के लिए, आफ्टर द बैटल ऑफ प्लासी they were collecting the taxes from us, and that money they were utilizing to purchase the raw material from India, and they were also had the money to maintain their company troops, and they were also building the different forts, different settlements were also being built by the English East India Company in India as a result of Battle of Plassey, right? So this was all about Battle of Plassey. In my next video, we are going to study about Battle of Buxar along with the dual system of government. Thank you.